There were nights when the wind was so cold that my body froze in bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so cruel that all the tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. That you left, and I can't remember when or how, and I banished every memory you and I had ever made. But when you touch me like this and you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back. Touch you like this and I hold you like that. It's so hard to believe, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I'd never do again, but then they always seemed right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than any love's allowed. Baby, baby, if I kiss you like this, and when you whisper like that, it was lost long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, and if you need me like that, it was that long ago. All coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. But it's all coming back. There were those empty threats and hollow lies, and whenever you tried to hurt me, I just hurt you even worse and so much deeper. There were those hours that just went on for days, when alone at last we count up all the chances that were lost to us forever. But you were history with the slamming of the door, and I made myself so strong again somehow, and I vanished every memory you and I had ever made. But when I touch you like this and you kiss me like that, it was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. When you touch me like this, and if I kiss you like that, it was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things we'd never do again, but then they always seemed right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than all your love's allowed. Baby, 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 when you touch me like this, and when you hold me like that, it was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. If you see me like this, see you like that, then you see what we want to see, all coming back to me. The flesh and the fantasies all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back. kiss me like this.
It's all coming back to me now.
And when I touch you like that,
It's all coming back to me now.
and if you do it like
It's all
this,
coming back to me now.
Alright, that was Marvin Doble and Harold Leite. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Hello,
At
Mafet.
naka-black si
Hello po.
Yes, I
Buffett.
still remember her. Nag-guest siya sa station natin.
Oh, ano bang ginanta mo noon?
Tagalog, I think.
Nag-guest ka sa
At ang
akin.
hirap.
At ang hirap. Ayan. Kumusta naman? Ito tayo, usog tayo. Ayan. Sige.
So, Mafet, sino kasama mo tonight?
Mga ka-boardmate ko lang po.
Asa
and
ba sila dyan?
kabarangay
Hello
ko po.
sa inyo dyan.
Shout out kay Suzette, tsaka kay Ate Jinky.
Hello.
Taga Harold
Also
Leite.
sa family ko na nanonood po ngayon.
Oh,
Kaila mama,
hindi
kaila
Say hi.
papa. Hi. Kaila tito, tsaka sa mga kaibigan ko, kaila John Harold, kaila Cassandra. Yan lang po.
Hello.
Hello.
Sa mga
Hello.
supporters ni Mafet. Mafet, ano ba? Hindi mo to, first time mo ba or not?
Hindi po.
Hindi ba?
Sumasali ka sa mga singing contest before. Ano yung pinaka malaking competition aside from this?
Dati po is yung Leyte Idol.
Lady Idol season?
But yung latest season po
Ngayon.
last year.
Last year. Oh.
But unfortunately, hindi ko po natuloy because
Ay,
hindi
sa
na po ako na-contact.
Hindi
that
ka na
time.
na-contact.
Yes po, because
Paano
that
hindi ka
time,
na-contact?
nasira po yung
Provincial.
cellphone ko.
Sayang. Mali
sayang
na.
naman.
Provincial elimination yun, I think, yeah?
Yes po.
Sayang.
Did you sing the same song that you sang
No
tonight?
po.
Anong kinanta mo doon?
Yes po. Actually, nung audition, ito po yung kinanta ko.
Kasi hindi ka nakapag, talaga, na
Opo, pero during yung
Perform
yung
sa contest?
yung competition na mismo, hindi na po ako nakapag-perform. Yun nga po kasi
Yun
hindi
nga
na
po,
po ako
hindi siya
na-contact.
na-contact.
okay. So, hindi mo first time kantahin tong kanta na, ano to? What's the
Ano,
title
ano,
of this
ano,
song?
title ng song
It's all
yan?
coming back?
It's
Ba?
all coming back to me
Oh,
now.
napakahirap yan kay Celine
Celine
Dion.
Dion.
Correct? Tama ba ako? Ayan. Bakit mo naman pinili yung song na to?
Parang nagre-reflect din po sa akin.
What do you mean nagre-reflect?
Sa akin na lang po yun.
Sa iyo na lang yan. Okay.
Sila na lang ni Lord ang may alam daw.
Okay. Okay lang.
Okay.
Sige.
No worries, Mafet. Now we're going to hear from Miss Christian Dominic Cravoso. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa performance ni Mafet?
Actually, pwede silang mag-comment din,
Silang
no?
tatlo, actually.
Silang tatlo.
Kasi-
Sige, si Sir Clark
Okay,
muna.
you go first, Sir Clark.
Kasi may time pa naman. Go ahead,
Excited
sir.
kaming lahat.
No worries.
Actually, siyempre, ladies first.
Yes.
From Christian to Daryl, ako na lang last.
Okay
Kasi
po.
babae,
Sige, sir.
mas
No
maganda
worries.
sila munang mag-ano.
Yes.
Anyway, last month siya, no?
Yes,
Opo,
po.
opo, sir.
So, matatapos na tayo. Okay lang. Tatlo kami. Okay lang.
Yes.
Would
Okay
it
lang,
be
sir.
alright? It's okay? Is
Yes,
it okay?
absolutely, sir. Our pleasure.
Okay, good evening, Mafet.
Good evening din po.
Yun nga, congratulations
Thank you
for
po.
for a nice performance.
Thank you po.
In my opinion, nung narinig ko yung soft parts ng song, parang na-realize ko, parang maganda yung quality ng voice mo when you sing those soft parts.
Thank you po.
Yes. So, suggestion ko lang, I think mas bagay sa'yo yung mga songs na yung songs na, ano ba, yung ma-emphasize yung hagod ng voice mo. I think mas bagay sa'yo. Pero this song, I would like to commend you for choosing a very, sabi pa nga ni Sir, this is difficult to interpret, ha? It entails, experience na talaga in singing for you to be able to give justice to the song. So, good job sa, pagiging brave on that part.
Thank you po.
Also, this song also demands proper breathing. Kasi, pansin mo yung song is fast-paced siya, di ba? If you don't have that proper breathing or breathing support, parang mag-aabot-abot yung pagkanta ng notes. So, you can still practice on that. Yeah. Also, last na kasi tatlo pala kami na magko-comment. Uh, Suggestion ko lang, you work on how you communicate with the audience. Make sure that how you deliver the song, how you sing those notes, and how you understood the message of the song also reflects on your facial expression. Parang gano'n. For you to successfully convey the message of the song. So, yun.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
po,
Miss
Carbosa.
Christian. And yes, Miss Daryl.
Good evening, Mafet.
Good evening po.
Yes, I agree with the comments of Miss Christian. Dagdag lang, additional. So, I think you should also consider experimenting with different vocal textures to add more depth iti mo performance or iti mo song. And actually, this is a hard song. Dire ko niya pipiliun pan singing contest. Kay Shahan, halabay ni nga song. Mga 5 minutes. And really, really hard. It requires strong vocal control, siring pa ni Miss Christian, proper breathing gihapon, and dynamics. You have to work on your dynamics. Tapos, pero in fairness, nasusustain mo imo mga high notes. Pero, as mentioned earlier, mas maupay ko mo soft nga parts. Paano ba? I don't know how to explain this technically. Ito ba nga birit nga diri maaringasa? You have to work on it. Ito nga mabirit ka, pero diri masumo, diri maaringasa.
Di rin malingong mo.
Diri maalingog-ngog. You have to work on it. So, ganito yan. Tila hiton talaga, practice every day. Nagjo-join pa ako ang singing contest. I have to share this. Hanggang pipirit pa ako na akong kag-anak. Nga mag-singing contest. Anakon practice, one song, kay di ba, one song malatat kakantahon contest. One song every day. Whole day, balik-balik ito hiya. Hasta nga kakapuyo na ko daily nga practice ito nga one song la. Until balik-balik laya kakantahon, masusumhan na lang namon neighbor. Kay balik-balik la ito hiya nga ako ginkikinanta karaoke. Pero, kay through time kasi imo pagkinanta, nabibilngan mo technique paano mo aabuton ito hataas, paano ka mahinga, nako dili nga part makwan. Wala ako mag-agihin coaching, voice. Pero asya lato na akong technique, as in practice, tas masasabtan mo na lang, ay, pwede nga di. Mahihit ko ini nga note, kung suga din Ito ba nga, balik-balik nga pagkinanta ito nga song. So asya ito yan. Until such time na meet ko Sir Clark, mas naging kuan pa na akong pagkantahan, nag-join ako ng mga choirs. So, pero very nice. That was a good performance. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Miss Daryl.
Okay. What's your name?
Mafet po.
Mafet.
Mafet. Okay, adan batonhan kan Daryl mga hey Christian. Okay, number 1, nasiring pagkamadali nga modulation lang po. Good. Tapos, internalize the lyrics. Importante ito. An audience, communicate and 3 dimension. Pam, 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 pam. Tapos, you can look to the audience and judges. Pagpakistorya, communicate. Okay? Then, nakukulangan ako sa expression. Pero ang ganda ng boses mo, pag-control lang, yung modulation. As Dara said a while ago, ang diri maaringasa. Mga birit, pero diri lang masumo. It's not annoying ba? So number 1, paano gagawin yan? Control, diaphragm, and miking. Siyempre, pag loud, pagtangabit mic. Okay, na labing very sensitive aton microphone. Control. Pero, actually, may potential ka maging champion. Andyan na. Okay? May star complex. Kulang lang ng contact. Expression lang. Kasi pag lalo na ito nga imo song, very expressive ito. Makuri talaga siya nga kanta. Very long, tapos damon marks, may high notes, tapos ang dynamics. Be careful, maupay ito kung may dynamics. May kagad soft, pero abrupt kasi dapat gradual ito pagsasap. Tapos, diri tigdal loud, o diri man inirap nga, pwede magano. So, diaphragming. Amo lagyap, amo gut akon ano kay init support it singing. Pag waray ka support, iton breathing kasi amot na ano, cause it flatting and wrong nga breathing. So, kung naubusan kan hangin, diri ito kay ano yabag or panapaas ka, kulang in support. Bisan high notes, pag sustain hit notes, more on breathing. Pag vocalize, sing pa ni Daryl, at least 1 hour. From high note, low notes to high notes, mid-range, more on vocalization. Kasi andyan na, may potential ka. You have the talent, you have the voice. Control lang, internalize the lyrics. Number 1, modulation, yung then, basta, i-feel. Just feel the song. Pag ma-feel mo yung kanta mo, may laban ka na. Pero andyan na. Posible mag-champion ka. Sundin mo lang yung ano. At saka, hindi tinuturo yan. Kagaya kay Daryl. Hindi man siya nag-voice lesson kay Ryan Kayabyab. Na ano ko lang siya nung mag-choir. Natuto niyang nakuha niya na-learn niya ang how to breathe in singing. Ganyan to, ang pag-diaphragm. Kaya choir, di man pwede, di rin pwede throat. So, more on, so, more on diaphragm. Sige. Modulation, expression, then, practice. Practice lang. Just feel. Audience, pag contact ha, yung connect. Dapat na-connect ka. Okay? Yun lang. Very good. Congratulations.
Alright, thank you so much,
Mga sasabi
Sir
mo, Mafet.
Clyde.
So lahat yung sinabi na they were all positive and helpful tips for you.
Pinagpapawisan tayo. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you. First of all, I want to thank ang mga judges po for bringing me a new lesson again. And dadadon ko po ito mga iba ko pa nga mga singing competitions sooner nga next competitions give ko pa na akong best, ma-practice pa akong more because actually nag-enter po ko yan na waray po puro practice. Kaya I don't expect po nga magma-moped result tak performance. But overall po, thank you so much po. It is very helpful po for me. Thank you
Thank you so much,
Thank
Mafet.
you,
At least
Mafet.
honest siya, di ba?
Doble, apparently.
Oo, na hindi daw siya nagpa-practice palagi. Now, you know, dapat pagsasalang ka sa mga ganitong competition, practice. Alright?
Usually, po kasi, busy po kasi.
Busy sa
Magpa-finals
school.
na eh.
Oo. Pero pag ganun
it's not
talaga...
an excuse. Pag sumasali ka ng
Oo, pag-
contest, you should
oo.
perform to win.
Oo,
Diba?
dapat ganun, ha? Anyways, good luck. Let's see.
Thank you.
Thank you,
ano mangyari
Mafet.
sa journey natin. Okay? Grabe, ganun
Actually,
pala
parang
na...
panalo na silang lahat kasi
Grabe.
shinare na yung mga tips. Yung mga